Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the recent price action of Celestia, TIA, as investors pull back. Let's explore what's driving this trend and where TIA's price might be headed next. In recent days, we've seen Celestia, TIA, experience a significant pullback in its price, with investors seemingly taking profits and exiting their positions. This pullback comes after a period of impressive gains for TIA, during which its price surged to new heights. Several factors may be contributing to the price correction of Celestia, TIA, prompting investors to reassess their positions and potentially liquidate their holdings. One key factor driving this correction could be profit-taking by early investors and traders who entered the market at lower price levels and are now capitalizing on their gains. As TIA's price surged to new heights in recent weeks, reaching levels that may have surpassed the expectations of some investors, it's natural for them to consider locking in profits and reducing their exposure to potential downside risk. Broader market sentiment and overall cryptocurrency market conditions play a significant role in influencing TIA's price action. Cryptocurrency markets are inherently interconnected, with price movements in one asset often impacting others. Therefore, if investors perceive increased risk or uncertainty in the broader market, they may opt to reduce their exposure to higher risk assets like TIA and reallocate their capital to more stable or established cryptocurrencies. TIA's price correction may also be influenced by technical factors and market dynamics specific to the cryptocurrency itself. For instance, if TIA's price experienced rapid appreciation over a short period, it could trigger profit-taking and selling pressure as traders seek to capitalize on short-term gains. Additionally, changes in trading volume, liquidity, and market depth can impact price stability and exacerbate price movements, particularly in smaller and less liquid markets such as those for altcoins like TIA. Investor psychology and behavioral biases can play a significant role in driving market trends and price movements. In times of market exuberance, investors may exhibit irrational exuberance and FOMO, fear of missing out, leading them to chase speculative assets like TIA without fully considering the underlying fundamentals or risks. Let's delve deeper into the technical analysis of Celestia, TIA, to gain insights into its price trajectory and potential price targets. Technical analysis involves studying historical price data and chart patterns to identify trends and forecast future price movements. While it's essential to note that past performance is not indicative of future results, technical analysis can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and investor behavior. One fundamental aspect of technical analysis lies in identifying support and resistance levels, pivotal markers that enable traders to discern the ebbs and flows of buying and selling pressure within the market. Support levels, often regarded as foundational pillars of price action, represent critical thresholds where the collective buying interest is anticipated to emerge. These levels act as bastions that thwart further downward price movements, serving as zones of equilibrium where demand outweighs supply. Here, market participants perceive the asset's price as undervalued, prompting them to enter buy orders and propel the price upwards in a bid to capitalize on perceived opportunities. Conversely, resistance levels serve as formidable barriers that impede an asset's upward trajectory, signifying thresholds where selling pressure tends to intensify. At these junctures, market participants who previously bought the asset may opt to liquidate their positions, thus constraining further price advances. Resistance levels are indicative of areas where traders perceive the asset to be overvalued, prompting profit-taking activities and inducing downward price pressure. By meticulously identifying and analyzing these support and resistance levels on Celestia's, TIA, price chart, traders gain invaluable insights into the prevailing market sentiment and can formulate informed trading strategies to capitalize on potential price movements, effectively navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency markets. Technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence, can provide further insights into TIA's price momentum and potential trend reversals. For instance, if TIA's price crosses above its 50-day or 200-day moving average, it could signal a bullish trend reversal, indicating a potential uptrend in the making. Conversely, if the RSI or MACD shows overbought conditions or bearish divergences, it could suggest that TIA's price is due for a correction or consolidation. When it comes to establishing price targets for Celestia, TIA, analysts employ a variety of methodologies rooted in technical analysis and market dynamics to project future price levels. One commonly utilized approach is Fibonacci retracement, a powerful tool that derives its effectiveness from the mathematical principles of the Fibonacci sequence. This methodology involves identifying key Fibonacci levels, including 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%, which correspond to specific percentages derived from the Fibonacci sequence. By overlaying these Fibonacci levels onto Celestia's TIA price chart, analysts can pinpoint potential support and resistance levels where significant price reversals or trend continuations are likely to occur. For instance, if TIA's price retraces to the 38.2% Fibonacci level following a significant uptrend, traders may anticipate a bounce in price as buying interest reemerges at this level. Some analysts suggest that TIA's price could target the $7 mark in the near term if it manages to find support and resume its upward trajectory. However, it's essential to monitor key support and resistance levels, as well as trading volume and market sentiment, for confirmation of bullish or bearish trends. Ultimately, technical analysis provides a valuable framework for understanding TIA's price dynamics and identifying potential opportunities for traders and investors. In conclusion, the recent price correction of Celestia, TIA, highlights the inherent volatility of cryptocurrency markets and the importance of risk management for investors. While pullbacks and corrections are a natural part of market cycles, they also present opportunities for savvy traders to enter positions at more favorable prices. That's all for today's video. Until next time.